Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ClickUp statuses and automations easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update ClickUp statuses, first, log into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where your tasks are located. Open the specific task you want to modify. Locate the status drop-down menu within the task view. Click on the current status to reveal the available options. Select the new status that reflects the current progress of the task. After making your selection, ensure the change is saved. Next, let's move on to automations. From the left sidebar, click on the Automate option. Choose the workspace or folder where you want to create the automation. Click on the plus Add Automation button to start a new automation. You will see various automation templates available. Pick a template that suits your needs, or select Create Custom Automation. Add a trigger for the automation based on your requirements. Next, define the actions that should occur when the trigger is activated. If necessary, set up any conditions that need to be met for the automation to run. Review all the details to ensure they are correct. Once satisfied, click on the Create Automation button. To test your automation, create or modify a task to see if it activates properly. If everything is working, you're done updating your ClickUp statuses and automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.